Top 5 1980s synth pop albums revisited. Okay, so I know we've done this before, but I just want to say that I took a look at the comments, some more passionate than others to say the least, and I listened. I took everything into consideration, so here is my revisited list. And stay tuned for part 2 next week.